Hello my busy bumblebees, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's make starfish using the Play-Doh. You will need 2 googly eyes or beads, knife, straw, and 2 colors of Play-Doh. I will be using red and white. Take your first color out and make it flat as a pancake. Place the cover in the middle of the Play-Doh and make 5 even cuts. Let's give our starfish 5 arms. Use your fingers, pinch, and make the arms pointy. Take your other color now, use the palm of your hand and press it down to make it flat. Let's use the straw to make the circles. Press it into the Play-Doh and then blow. Catch it into your hand. Let's decorate the starfish now. Pick up each circle one at a time. Press it between the thumb and your index finger and place it on the starfish arm. Use beads or googly eyes to make its eyes. Next, we're making its mouth. Great job working your fingers with me today. I hope to see you next time. Bye!